We recognize that motorcycles have become one of the primary modes of transportation for many Filipinos, whether for work, business, or personal mobility.
Isa lang po ang adikain natin, magkaroon po tayo ng isang maayos, safe, at of course, disiplinadong lansangan. Hindi lang po sa mga naglalakad o mga pedestrians, but also to all road users.
Nalaman ko po na libreng training, libreng kurso, libreng gamit ng motor, tsaka libreng gamit ng safety gears para sa lahat. Open po sa lahat.
Always remember, nandito po ang MMDA, hindi nyo po kami kalaban, kundi kakampi nyo po kami, especially when it comes to maintaining safety, order in our society. So once again, maraming salamat po and congratulations to everyone.